Eyeglasses are very important to many people on this planet. They're essential to humanity, so how do they help us out? First of all, we need to figure out how the eye works. That round thing, aka the lens in our eye, it corrects our vision by squishing and expanding, thanks to a few muscles in our eye. If an object is far away, the muscles relax, causing the lens to be in a more of a flat shape. So the focal point meets the retina. If an object is very close, the muscles tense up to turn the lens turns into a round shape. Then the focal point meets properly with the retina. Healthy eyes can correct an image instantaneously, but sometimes this does not work properly. There's a few different problems that cause people that need glasses to have glasses. People with myopia, or called nearsightedness, have trouble focusing light, an image from far away, because their eyes are football shaped and the lens focuses light before the retina. People with astigmatism have a very round cornea, which results in having weird blurry effects. This can be solved with a lens that spreads the light out before it enters the eye, or in a concave lens. The focal point hits right on the retina. If the eye is too short, or if the lens can't get into a round enough shape, the focal point moves behind the retina. It's called hyperopia, or more commonly called farsightedness. This is solved by slightly focusing the light, kind of like wearing little magnifying glasses. It's basically a convex lens. So how would it be like if glasses did not work the way they should? First, many people that live off glasses will not be able to see properly. I guess you can clearly see what could happen. So after all, is there a way our vision can be improved? I would say yes. Just don't stay locked on anything up close, aka cell phones. It strains your eyes that can lead you to have to need eyeglasses for a very long time. To end, I hope everyone has learned something and enjoyed the video. If you did, please like or subscribe. Thanks for watching Blank Jack.